Hey, happy New Year, guys. Just wanted to tell you guys all. My name is Roger. Welcome to the Business Financial Network. This is Rambo. He's one of the head traders here too. No, just joking. So I want to talk to all you guys. Wish you guys the best for 2021. I know 2020 has been a really interesting year. It's been one of those years where, a lot of people have had a lot of interesting things happen to them, both, financially, personally, spiritually, emotionally. And I just wanted to tell all you guys, I hope that your 2020 was as best as you can make it to be. And 2021 is even better. And part of the reason that I'm getting online now, and some of you guys know me, some of you guys don't, but I've been in business for a long time, and both on the private side and the public side. And there's just so much exciting things that happened in the marketplace this year that I can't hide it any longer. Like, there's no way I can just stop. Everyone's been saying, hey, listen, Raj, you gotta start telling people about what's going on. And I'm just like, hey, you know what, man, I don't want to tell everybody about everything all the time. And I've been avoiding it. You know what I mean? I've been avoiding it. But really, truly, in essence, I don't want to avoid it anymore. And I just want to tell you guys, welcome to the network, and get ready, because you're going to get a chance to see some of the best companies first here. I'm part of a club and a group of traders that take trades every day in various different sectors, everything from Forex to crypto to stocks to options. And obviously the financial markets is a really intimidating place. It's a place where a lot of people associate risk with reward, and sometimes that risk and taking L's, they know how to do it. And I'll tell you right now that it's all about learning how to do this and how to do it effectively. This year alone, our group, today, we've had some of our members in our group make $75,000 on the last day of trading. On this video today, you're going to hear of a brand new gold company that's an IPO. That's right. On New Year's Eve, you're going to be hearing about a gold company doing an IPO today. And it's already up 97% of the day. The ticker's GMTN, Gold Mining Corp. I'm going to be going over some other companies that we're working with. We work with everything from NASDAQ companies to TSX Venture, Canadian Stock Exchange companies, and OTC board companies. We like to typically work with companies that have tight floats, really good share structure, no debt, great management team, sales, development, contracts, news, things that, with some news, with some great eyeballs and some great exposure and a tight float, you can't go wrong. And it's all about, analyzing the market and doing the proper due diligence and the research that's necessary that makes it relatable. That makes this a lot simpler than it is when you're looking at all these graphs and looking at all these complex, formulas, and we don't want to make it as easy. Some people are just like, oh, you must be, doing something as simple as copy trading. And, to be candid, some people will say, that's what we do. We come into our club and we're getting a chance to learn how to do what other successful traders are doing. And yeah, to a degree, you're learning how to copy successful habits. However, it's much more effective, as opposed to me giving you a fish, for me to help you learn how to fish. And that's what we're here to do on the Business Financial Network. So moving right along, let's talk about one of the 80 companies we're working with in 2021, and one of the companies that we worked with in 2020. And that company here is TAAT. Symbol and ticker TAAT. Sorry about that. And as you can see, this company today, just today alone, it went up 31%. And that means our members for the last week or so that I've been alerted on the fact that this was a great buy opportunity. Just to tell you, TAAT is in the hemp cigarette space. It's a huge disruptor for the tobacco space. A lot of the tobacco space right now are taking huge losses as more and more people are realizing it's a cancer creator. And hemp and this whole new cannabis movement coming into play, TAAT is on the forefront of this space. And people in our community, members in our community, and our private club more especially, have been able to basically buy the dips and sell the rips. And in layman's terms, what that means is buy low, sell high, and buy in the times when you find those valleys, and selling at those times when you find those peaks. And it's, you know, it's a skill. It's something that takes patience. It's a skill that it doesn't happen overnight. And yes, we make it look very easy. And there's a lot of members that are making a lot of money in our group. However, you know, at the same time, I'm just telling you, we are not financial advisors. This is something that we do out of the goodness of our heart. We're educating people about what we've learned, and we've been able to nurture relationships with some of these companies and be able to realize what they're doing and be able to communicate this, both management's message, but more importantly, what management's doing to maintain their fiduciary commitment to their shareholders. So, you know, this is not just, you know, we're here just telling you about winners because we're always, you know, we have a formula. That formula works, and it works much more than, you know, 70 to 80% of the time, right? However, regardless of that, these are just trade ideas. So TAAT has been a company, our community and our club has been benefiting off tremendously in the hemp sector. And the next one that we've been working with has been GRN. Green Lane Renewables, right? They're in industrial products. You know, these guys are renewable energy. It's a play, right? This company is a great company. As you can see, it's gone through a lot of different, you know, price points throughout, you know, the last year. It's gone anywhere from, you know, $1.80 all the way up now to $2.30. And in between, it's gone up and down and around. And this is where, again, people in our group, in our community, have been able to benefit off the days that these dips have occurred and have been able to scalp trade on those days that things have gone unbelievably well. Another one that we're working with, another one of the 80 companies that we currently are working with in our trading group and private live trading club is BABY. Now, a lot of you guys have probably heard about the stock. Maybe some of you haven't. This stock, again, a great company. It's in consumer packaged goods. It's a company that's in the plant-based food space. It's very important that people get a chance to be a part of relatable research and stuff that is all around renewable energy and biodegradable plant-based foods and you know, healthy alternatives that are disruptors like TAAT. These are all very important aspects to take into consideration when you're looking at companies and when you're looking to make an investment into a company, right? And when you're looking to see if a company is going to have liquidity, right? Because it's great that a company has potential, but if that company has no liquidity, meaning there's no eyeballs on the stocks and therefore there's no volume on the stock, then it's going to be very hard for you or anybody to get in with any respectable amount of money and be able to pull that money out with a profit or with a gain when there's nobody really on that security. But yeah, BABY is a company that's doing extremely well for itself. It's a 391 today. You know, if you sit there and you look at the stock over the last year, you know, it's gone anywhere from, you know, $3 to $4.10, come right back, you know, in and around. So again, this is a great, you know, strong, stable company to watch. watch the dips, sell the rips. Again, we know a lot of members have done very well with that security. DOC, again, this one, I really enjoy this one. Obviously, people are spending more time at home, right? Therefore, more people are learning alternative ways of making income, right? Like trading. Same thing with medicine and health. If more people are spending time at home and it's a higher barrier to entry to get into your healthcare practitioner, telemedicine is the only next wave that's gonna shoot, right? So this is where you look for people and companies that are placing themselves into these companies at a low barrier to entry. And again, DOC, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange. Great company. This company is currently trading only at 238. Okay, this company today went up, 3%. I myself have gone into this company, in low twos, sold it, mid twos. And at the end of the day, I'm seeking more opportunities to get into this security along with the rest of the members and the rest of the securities that we talked about tonight. We're seeking more people to look at DOC. DOC is a great company. I'm enjoying investing into this company. I like the management behind this company. Telemedicine is something that I'm getting involved in on an organic basis. As that's a sector that I know people are heightenedly engaged in. And this is something that I've bought myself and I've sold myself, and I'm going to be getting back in. So again, guys, DOC on the TSX Venture. Next brand new IPO that was released literally, I think, last Friday. We were the first ones in, and that day it screamed. And now, again, today, it's at 206. Again, look at the chart. The chart speaks for itself. Buy the dips, sell the rips. This is a stock that our group has been able to get into at, the low 120s, not the 120s, the 180s. And now it's at 206. Some of us are still holding. Some of us have already unloaded. Some of us has played some scalp trading in between. But, I got to say, this is another company. You got to pay attention. This is diversifying financial services. Again, this is that whole, new space of digital currency and new diversified ways at looking at valuations. And this IPO, along with many others, are going to be a big staple moving forward in 2021. So again, NEXE trading on the TSX Venture Exchange. Keep it on your watch list. Another one close to my heart, Skylight Health Group. SHG trading on the Canadian Exchange. Just to tell you guys, the TAAT was trading on the Canadian Exchange also, as and as well as Skylight Health Group also. Sorry about that. Just hit the table. I'm new to this, guys. So Skylight Health Group, again, telemedicine platform, over 100,000 current users. I personally think this is undervalued. It just needs, to circulate more. And again, if you look at this stock, the stock has stayed tied, tested, and true. We were alerted at this at the beginning, the first day we did the IPO. I believe I think it was like less. Again, I think this is I'm looking at a 5-day here. So yeah, this hasn't been around very long. Started off, I believe, at low 70s. Right, we got in. I got out at 90, but as you can see, it's at 117. So again, a great stock. I'm looking for another time to get in. Obviously, because I'm a little bit spoiled, I'm a part of the club. I got in really low. So now me looking for another. But again, when you're part of this club, you start realizing that these securities that we're involved in, they create new floors. So it's like you get in at such a great rate, at such a great execution, that by the time you're out, that momentum has gone up, but that new floor has been attained. And now it's going up again, right? So again, being a part of a group, a supportive group that's talking about share structure, talking about momentum, looking at bids and asks, making fiscal financial markets seem simple. That's what we do here, right? At the Business Financial Network and into our private trading club that you can, again, in our link, we'll be able to leave some opportunities for you to be a part of that too. And yeah, last but not least, we want to talk about Golding Mining Corp. Gold Mining Corp, GMTN. So yeah, that was an IPO that happened today. GMTN.V. It's up already 97%. I'm going to try to find, obviously when it's a brand new stock, it's one of those interesting ones to find online. So I'm going to get into it right now, and hopefully I'll be able to find you guys today's intraday trading chart. First day, one day. Well, yeah, at any rate, GMTN, put it on your radar. Gold mining, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange. Sorry guys, I just had a mental. I'm just trying to figure out how to use the computer and all these recording, techniques and all this fun stuff. So yeah, at any rate, guys, I just want to tell you guys, thanks a lot for watching. This is just the first of many videos that are going to be informative, different segments we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about NASDAQ stocks. We're going to be talking about OTC stocks. We're going to be talking about a lot of Canadian stocks. We're working with 80 different companies over 2021. This is a free channel. We have a private trading club that you can subscribe to. And other than that, we're looking for you to be seen and be heard, and learn how to spot opportunity, learn with us how to take advantage of the matrix and get into 2021. There's a reason that I'm streaming on New Year's Eve, is because I'm just so excited about all the exciting wins that I've had with the club, with the group, and I'm only looking forward to 2021. We've had huge breakthroughs in 2020. And other than that, God bless, I'm signing out. Roger from BFN TV. Take care. God bless.